Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the first Galaxy S10 case that I have purchased from Amazon. I did pre-order my S10 from Best Buy, so I will be picking that up when it releases on Friday the 8th. Unfortunately, I didn't get one early, and my order won't be arriving early because, like I said, I am picking it up from Best Buy on release day. But I figured I would go ahead and show you guys the case without the phone, just so if you're looking for a case, you can see something and maybe see if you like it or not, and see what it looks like. So I purchased a Spigen S10 thin fit case. I've had really good luck with Spigen cases in the past, and I've really enjoyed them, especially their thin fit cases, just because they don't add a lot of bulk to your phone, but they keep the back from getting scratched up and stuff like that. Now with the S10, a lot of the glass screen protectors aren't going to be compatible because of the in-display fingerprint sensor. So there are certain screen protectors that you're going to want to get if you want to use that in-display fingerprint sensor. Obviously there's going to be companies that make them for the S10. You just won't be able to use the in-display sensor if you choose to use one that is not compatible. So just watch out for that when you're purchasing a screen protector or case that may come with a screen protector pre-installed on it. So the Spigen thin fit case is just as it sounds, just a thin back case for your Galaxy S10. This one is a hard plastic material. I've had some of these similar on my iPhone and they work very well. So that is what the case looks like right there. And I will show this case on the phone when I unbox the phone on Friday. And I'll be doing some videos over the weekend to show you guys what the phone looks like and do some reviews and videos on it. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss those. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day. And the link for this will be down below in the description to Amazon.